Hi everybody, this is CR number 10, problem number 1 helper video. This will help you do problem number 1 on your CR. First thing we are going to do is we are going to start by rewriting the problem down here. We have n divided by negative 13 equals 2. Now remember, this fraction bar here means division. And if we are going to undo division or get n by itself, we have to do the opposite. And the opposite of division is multiplication. So whatever I'm dividing by, which in this situation is negative 13, is what I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides by. So I'm going to make a dot. I'm going to put negative 13 here. Anything I do to one side, I have to do to the other. These 13s on this side will cancel out because negative 13 divided by negative 13 is just 1. So I have 1n here, and 2 times negative 13, well, a positive times a negative is a negative, and 13 times 2 is 26. So my answer is negative 26, which is circled right up here. All right, good luck.